Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried eggs with yellow chives. Look at that color, soft golden eggs mixed with bright yellow chives. It smells amazing and tastes even better. Simple, fresh, and so satisfying. Alright, first, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. If you are cooking for more people, just add a few more eggs, no problem. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch water. It keeps the eggs super soft and silky. Then season with 2 teaspoons of salt. And give it a nice mix. Next, grab your yellow chives. Wash them clean, drain off all the water, and cut them into short sections. Make sure they are nice and dry. Otherwise, they will make the dish watery later. Alright, time to cook. Heat up the wok. No oil yet. Once it's hot, toss in the chives and stir-fry them quickly over high heat until they just start to soften. Don't overcook them. We just want them to lose the raw edge. Then take them out and mix them straight into the egg mixture. Give everything a quick stir so the eggs and chives are nicely combined. Now add oil to the wok and get it hot. Pour the egg mixture in and gently push it around the wok with your spatula. Keep the heat medium, not too high. All the eggs will turn tough instead of tender. When they start to set and look fluffy, that's your cue. Turn off the heat and slide them out. Look at that, glossy, tender eggs with the sweet aroma of yellow chives. There's no harsh onion flavor, just the mellow, fresh fragrance. This dish is light, simple, and absolutely delicious. Let me try a bite. It's so soft, so fragrant, perfectly cooked. Remember, keep the heat gentle. That's the secret to tender eggs. It's quick, easy, and I promise, once you try it at home, you will want to make it again and again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.